Welcome one more time to the class, students. As always, I'm really happy to see you here. Today we have something new. Let's start with our lesson. I'm going to show you here the classroom presentation tool. Okay, everybody, everyone, open your books. Please open your books because we have to work on some new things today. Yeah, I'm going to send you now the remaining text too. Okay, I'm gonna send you this now. It's uploading and oh my god, this is kind of slow. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Okay, yeah, now I have here the message. Yeah, that's it. Well, let's see, we were talking on some activities, right? We are on the unit number 6, right? Do you remember the unit number 6? I'm gonna show you this. Let's go to the unit number 6. We're talking about my day on this part. Well, we did all of these things, right? We were working on the page number 66, the previous class. We finished oh yeah, we need to do this, right? We finished talking about this the previous class. Now let's see, this is something new for you. Here we have the International Space Station. This is the school trip number 2. So I'm gonna do this one moment. Yeah, the International Space Station, no? Before you watch, look at the photo and write. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? No, here says the International Space Station. The International Space Station, or ISS, is above the Earth. Astronauts live on the ISS. They work there too. Between there and 6 astronauts live on the space station at one time. Let's visit them and learn about their day. Okay, let's look. Before you watch, look at the photo and write. No, here we have some options: astronauts, Earth, float, and outer space. You're gonna tell me here in this part, students. This is a photo from, what do you think? From astronaut, from Earth, float, or outer space? What do you think? What do you think? This is open microphone. This is a photo from astronaut, Earth, float, or outer space. Where is this place, student? Where is this place? What do you think? What's this, students? What's this? What's this photo about? This photo is from astronaut, Earth, float, or outer space. Come on, tell me your answers.
Un astronauta.
Astronaut, okay, yeah. Here we have astronaut, but all of this, the astronaut is this person, but all of this, what's this? All of this. Earth, float, or outer space? What do you think? What do you think? Tell me, you don't know? You don't have ideas? What do you think? This, students, is the outer space. Look, this part, outer space. Todo esto es el outer space, el espacio exterior. Yes or no? Yeah, you look here.
Space.
Yes, this is the space, the outer space. So this is a photo from outer space, right? You look at this part here, says that looks blue and white from space. What is blue and white for space? Here, blue and white. And what's that? that is Earth. Earth, okay? This is the Earth, la Tierra, right? The Earth looks blue and white from outer space. What else? We have here something that says, the person in this photo is, what's this person? An astronaut, right? This person is an astronaut. Yeah, right? The person in this photo is an astronaut. And here says, astronauts don't walk around in space. Yeah, they can run, they can walk in space. Cuando están en el space, no pueden walk or run, right? What do? They float, right? They float on the space. Yeah? So that's it. Now, activity 2. Here it says, while you watch, put events in order. The astronauts. Okay, in order, what do the astronauts do? Okay, for example, number 1, they get up. What do they do after that? Brush their teeth, go to bed, make pizza, exercise, wash their hands, eat lunch. What do you think? I'm gonna play this now. Pay attention. Pay attention. Let's stop.
Today, we're at the International Space Station. Wow! Look outside the window. This is the Earth. It's beautiful. Astronauts live and work in space. Now that's a cool job. They don't walk around the station. They float. Life is different in space. Everything floats, even water. But some things are the same in space. The astronauts get up in the morning and they brush their teeth. Sometimes they wash their hair. They eat lunch. Oh no! Catch that food! Phew! They do exercise every day. Sometimes the astronauts have dinner together. This is pizza night. First, they make the pizza. Then, they eat the pizza. It looks fun. It's bedtime for this astronaut. Good night.
Okay, now let's order, no? Here it says, number 1, they get up. What is number 2? You know? Let's see the events one more time. You must be careful, students. Pay attention.
Today, We're at the International Space Station. Wow! Look outside the window. This is the Earth. It's beautiful. Astronauts live and work in space. Now that's a cool job. They don't walk around the station. They float. Life is different in space. Everything floats, even water. But some things are the same in space. The astronauts get up in the morning and they brush their teeth. Sometimes they wash their hair.
Number one, they get up. Number two, they brush their teeth. No, this is number two. Number three, they wash their hair. Let's see, let's continue.
They eat lunch.
Okay, they eat lunch. This is number four. Right, they eat lunch. Let's continue.
Oh no! Catch that food! Phew. They do exercise.
Okay, what's next? They do exercise. Okay, this should be number five. They do exercise. What else? Let's continue.
Every day. Sometimes the astronauts have dinner together.
Okay, have dinner. So it means that they make pizza, right? This is number six.
This is pizza night. First, they make the pizza. Then they eat the pizza. It looks fun. It's bedtime for this astronaut. Good night.
Okay, it's bedtime, right? And finally, number seven, they go to bed. Yeah, on that way. Now here says, after you watch, imagine you live on the ISS. What do you like, you don't like about it? You know, this is with your personal information. For example, in my case, here we have, what do you like? What do you like about it? For example, I work in space. Yeah, I think for me, I like this part. You know, I work in space. I can float. Yeah, I really like that. I can float. My family is on Earth. Yeah, no, this is something bad about that. No, what else? My food floats. Yeah, I think this is kind of bad too, because it's gonna be difficult to eat. And my hair stands up. Okay, yes, I think this is something that I don't like too. Okay, I can't take a bath. Oh my God, yeah, for me that could be kind of difficult too, right? You're gonna do this with your personal information. Ustedes lo van a hacer con su personal information. You are gonna check, or you are gonna X that things that are good or bad for being an astronaut or for working on the ISS. Okay, so check it, please. Check it, because we must continue after that. Okay, are you working on that part? Yes, you have the information now. Okay, yeah, now let's go to the next part. Yeah, let's go to the next activity. We don't have enough time. And let's see, what else do we have here? There is the review part, yeah? Review the units number 5 and 6. We have to unscramble the words first in this part. For example, number 1, what is number 1? Do you have an idea? It starts with letter F. What do you think is it? What do you think? This is the farmer, okay? This is number 1. Number 1 is a farmer. Yeah, I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change the size. Yeah, I think I'm gonna work on this. You're gonna be fast to do that. Oh yeah, I think this is too big. I'm gonna change, or I'm gonna move, I guess. That's it, no? Farmer. What is number 2? Easy, right? Number, yeah.
Doctor.
Very good. Number 2 is a doctor. What is number 3? You know, number 3 is a builder. What is number 4? Number 4 is a
Driver.
very good taxi driver, right? Let's write on this part. Taxi driver. Okay. Now this is a number 2, right? A farmer. What does a farmer do? Remember, here we have the verb grow, ¿verdad? Cultivar, and you say grows with letter S. Tercera persona, ¿verdad? He grows, él cultiva. A farmer grows food. A tennis player, okay, it says kick. A tennis player kick, patear? No, right? This is negative. So we have to write here this answer. A tennis player doesn't kick. Doesn't kick the ball. Number 3, a taxi driver. For people in his taxi. Waits? I don't think so, right? Or sometimes could be. Let's write. A taxi driver waits, no? For people in his taxi. A doctor uses a guitar. No, right? I don't think so. A doctor doesn't use a guitar, no? Okay, a musician uses a guitar. A builder works outside. Yes, right? El builder trabaja afuera. A builder works outside, sorry. A builder works outside. Now let's see, activity 3, look and write. Okay, you have to look here and you have to write. What time and how do you ask the question? What time does she get up, right? Para preguntar a qué hora se levanta. What time does she get up? No, you say here, she gets up at what time? I think that's 6, right? She gets up at 6 o'clock. No? Yes? We're talking about the 6 o'clock. What time does she, for example, what is she doing? Eating, right? What time does she have lunch? No? And you have the answer. She has lunch at, what time is it? I think it's 12, right? At 12 o'clock. Yeah. Let's see the next part. What time, let's ask the question, does she take a bath, right? What time does she take a bath? And let's see, we answer here in this part, she takes a bath at the time, I think it's 6, 7, 8, right? At 8 o'clock. Yeah, those are the answers. And finally, let's go to the next activity. Activity 4, write, then ask and answer. What time do you get up? This is for you with your personal information, no? You can say, I get up, esto es con su información personal, ¿ah? I get up at 7 o'clock, for example, ¿no? What time do you eat lunch? ¿A qué hora almuerzas? You can say, I eat lunch at 2 o'clock. Then, what time do you take a bath? You can say, I take a bath, for example, at 7:30. Okay, and that's it. Those are some answers. Okay, I'm gonna write here. This is just a model. Okay, recuerden que esta parte ustedes lo van a tener que realizar o van a tener que responder con su información personal, ¿no? Indicar las horas en las cuales ustedes realizan cada una de esas actividades, ¿ok? Yeah. Let's work. You're gonna have 1 minute to do that part. 1 minute to do that activity, students. Just 1 minute, 1 minute. So hurry up, hurry up. You must work very fast. Okay, did you finish? Excellent, finish.
Finish, teacher.
Great. Who else finish? Who else finish? Yeah, let's continue, okay? Now I think we finished this part. Yeah, so you are 4B and we finished student's book, right? We don't have more activities on this part. Yeah, now let's go to the workbook. This is for the next book. Let's go to the workbook. We were working here on the pages. Okay, 45. I think for you, this is page number, oh yeah. For you, this is page number 111, right? 111. Is that right? Let's go for this page, student.
Profesor,
Let's go.
111, ¿no?
Yes. This is the workbook for you. This is 111. Yeah? Are you on
Ya
this
la
part?
encontré, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Ya la encontré, teacher. Ya la encontré,
Okay.
teacher.
Very good. Let's start, ¿no? Here says be polite. This is about the value. ¿Se acuerdan el value de ser cortés? Be polite, ¿no? Read and circle the polite phrases. What are polite phrases on this part? For example, you have thank you. This is polite. No, okay, no, no, they're not polite. Yes, please, definitely. No, come here. No, help me now. No, no, thanks. I don't think so. Or could be. No, no, thanks. Sorry, no, could be. I think between no thanks and sorry, no, I think sorry, no is more polite. Yeah. Now here it says, look and check. What do you think is polite? Pass the eraser or pass the eraser, please? You know, this is the magic word, please, we use to say polite words, right? Do you want an apple? No, thanks, Dad. And here says, no, I don't. I think no, thanks, that is more polite, right? Oh, yeah, it means that we have to circle these two, no, thanks. Here we are. I stop here, or what's the polite way? You say, that's great, thank you. No, this is polite. Look and write, no? Some water, you can say, yes, please, no? For example, yes, please. This is how you are polite, no? Yes, please. And now the other part says, oh, look at this part. No, what can you say here to be polite? What do you think? What do you think should be the word? Please help me, right? You can say that. I'm gonna write here, please help me. No, help me. No, this could be a polite way to ask for help. Yeah, let's do that activity.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Finish, teacher.
Very good, excellent. Okay, I think we must start now, right? Let's see. Oh, we must go to the next page. Yeah, this is 111. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Oh, yeah, let's work. Let's work very fast here. What do we have? This is about my day, right? So let's work. Here it says, listen and number. Pay attention. Listen and number, please.
Track 32, Unit 6, My Day. Lesson 1, Words. Activity 1. Listen and number.
1. This is my day. First, I get up.
Okay, what's number 1? I get up. No, let's look for get up. Here is get up. Let's continue.
2. I get dressed in my school clothes.
Okay, number 2, I get dressed. And here we have get dressed. Number 2, let's continue.
3. I eat breakfast in the kitchen with my sister.
Okay, number 3, I eat breakfast. Let's look, where is the breakfast? Where is the breakfast? Oh yeah, I think this is the breakfast, right? Let's continue.
4. I eat lunch at school with my friends.
Okay, I eat
Lunch,
lunch at school, right? Very good. This is number 4. Let's, oh, I think I'm gonna do something here. No, this is not 111, this is 112, right? I'm gonna change here the number 112, and this is 113, right? I'm gonna change the size. I'm gonna circle this. Yeah, and let's work now. We're doing this, no? Number 4, number 2, and this is number 3. Yeah, let's continue, students, with the listening.
Track 32.
3. I eat breakfast in the kitchen with my sister. 5.
5.
I eat dinner in the dining room with my.
I eat dinner, right? Number 5. Let's write here the number. Number 5. I eat dinner. Let's continue.
My family. 6. I do homework in my bedroom.
Homework.
Very
Homework.
good. I do homework is number 6. Let's continue.
7. I take a bath.
Okay.
Bath.
Take a bath. Very good. This is number
El
7.
último sería dormir.
Excellent. But in English, how do you say in English?
8. Then I go to bed.
How do you say that in English? I go to bed. Yeah? Now let's write here. What's the correct way to say this word? For example, here we have up. How do you say that? Get up, right? Dress. What do you have with dress? Get dressed. No, what do we have with breakfast? You say eat breakfast. With lunch, you say eat lunch. Now dinner, you say eat dinner. With homework, you say do homework. No, bath, you say take a bath. No, bed, you say go to bed. Yeah, this is how you use these verbs. Now, finally, what do you do in these rooms? Okay, what do you do in the kitchen? For example, you can say I eat in the kitchen. In the dining room, what do you do in the dining room? Oh, sorry, I cook in the kitchen, no eat. In the dining room, I eat in the dining room. In the bathroom, I sleep in the bathroom. In the bathroom, I take a bath in the bathroom, right? This is something that you do. Now, let's see, what do we have in this part? Look, listen and write, pay attention.
Track 33. Unit 6. Lesson 2. Grammar. Activity 1. Listen and write.
One o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Okay, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. What else?
3 o'clock, 4, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock,
Okay, 6 o'clock. Let's continue.
7 o'clock, more. What time is it?
What time
What
is
time
it?
is it?
Very good.
Tick tock, it's 7 o'clock. Get up, get dressed.
Get up.
Get dressed.
Very good. Get dressed.
It's time for school. What time is it? Tick tock, it's 7 o'clock.
Okay, what time is it? It's
6 o'clock.
7. Okay, it's
O'clock.
7 o'clock. Right, let's continue.
Eat dinner, take a bath. It's time for bed.
Finally, it's
Tax or the bed.
it's time, right? Es hora de la bed. It's time for bed. Yeah. Now let's go to the next part. What do we have here? Activity 2, read and put the time in the clock. Then draw the sky. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Yes, no? It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Okay, let's write here 11 o'clock in the morning, right? Let's do this. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Let's draw the sun, right? If it's 11 o'clock, the sun is going to be here, no? Because it's 11 o'clock. Right? Now, finally, it's 9 o'clock in the evening. So let's write here 9. Okay, this is 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock in the evening. Okay, if it's the evening, you have here something, right? You have here the moon. The moon is in the morning, right? Sorry, in the evening. Yeah. The last part. Look and write the time. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Number 2, it's number 1, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Number 2, it's 7 o'clock, no? In the morning. Number 3, it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, right? It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Number 4, you say it's 8 o'clock, right? Let's do this part. It's 8 o'clock, no? In the evening. Okay, let's do this in that way. Those are the answers on this part, students, okay? This is how you must do this part. Okay. Finally, we have here some activities. Let's do this. Let's do this. One moment. We have here on this part.
Finish, teacher, finish.
Oh, excellent. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, students, the next activity, you're gonna do this, yeah? You're gonna do 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Oh my God, you have to do all of these, okay? But well, we don't have enough time, students. We must stop on this part. I just want to say thank you very much. That's all for today and see
Thank
you
you,
the next
teacher.
class. Bye-bye, students.
Ciao, teacher.
Take care.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Ciao,
Have a
teacher.
nice day.
Bye.
Bye-bye, students. Bye.